Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Kanya Divara Adisti, majoring in Public Administration at University of Riau. Today, I will do my English midterm exam assignment, which explain the past perfect continuous tense. Before I explain, I want to apologize if there are still many shortcomings and mistakes in this video. So let me explain things relate to the past perfect continuous tense. The meaning of past perfect continuous tense. This tense is also often referred to as the past perfect progressive tense. Unlike the present perfect continuous tense, which show that an event started in the past and continues to the present, the past perfect continuous tense indicates that an event begins in the past, continues until a time in the past, and also end in the past. But the same as the present perfect continuous tense, this tense also emphasizes process or an event that continues with a certain duration. Jadi, past perfect continuous tense adalah ungkapan atau kalimat yang memiliki fungsi untuk menyatakan perbuatan yang sudah dimulai dan masih berlangsung pada waktu lampau. Dalam penggunaannya, past perfect continuous tense biasanya digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian atau peristiwa yang sudah selesai di suatu waktu tertentu atau memiliki durasi waktu tertentu. Past perfect continuous tense function an example of sentence. First, past perfect continuous tense to express a long past action before any other action occurs. Example, we had been working at an international hospital, and I had been studying at an international school. Second, this tense is to tell how long something happened or period of time or until a certain time in the past. Example, she had been living in the city for 10 years. Yang ketiga, menyatakan suatu peristiwa, kejadian, dan perbuatan yang dikerjakan pada waktu lampau dan sedang berlangsung pada masa lampau. Contoh kalimatnya, I had been going to the bookstore. Yang keempat, menyatakan suatu peristiwa, kejadian yang lainnya terjadi pada waktu lampau. Contoh kalimat, she had been cleaning the house when her mother was cooking. Continuous tense is also used in reporter speech. This tense is the past continuous tense and the present perfect continuous tense in direct speech. First, direct speech pada past continuous tense. Contohnya, when I asked him why he didn't answer my call, he said I was studying. Reporter speech. When I asked him why he didn't answer my call, he said that he had been studying. Second, direct speech pada present perfect continuous tense. Sarah said I have been exercising all afternoon. Reported speech, Sarah said that she had been exercising all afternoon. Past perfect continuous tense formula. The past perfect continuous tense is formed with the auxiliary verb had and been and the present participle. In general, the past perfect continuous tense only occurs in action in the form of dynamic or action verb, not static verb, because generally only dynamic verbs have a continuous form. This is a formula of past perfect continuous tense. Example, positive, I had been loving him. Negative, I had not been loving him. And she had not been looking for the kitten. Interrogative, had she been looking for the kitten? And had you been loving him? Okay, I think that's all from me. If I do a mistake, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.